Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to upgrade your YouTube Premium to family membership. First thing you will have to do is to click on your profile picture and then go to purchases and memberships. Now click on manage membership, and down here you should see family membership. Click on upgrade right here. Then here it will tell you what you will pay today, and then here it will tell you what you will pay monthly. Click on upgrade. Now it will take you to this page and you will have to confirm with your password. Then you will have to share your premium, so click on continue right here. You can extend up to 5 family members if you get this premium, so that seems pretty reasonable. As you can see, you are now family manager, so you can invite family members right here, or you can skip it if you want. So I will skip it for this tutorial and you are done for now. Got it. So this is how really simple it is to get your family plan. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.